Beverly, who's on the phone? The Prime Minister of Jamaica. Is returning my call. Okay, Beverly, put him through. Thank you. Hello, Prime Minister. How you doing? Me good. They say me good. Everybody good right now. Me ear say, no witness for the case, the cartel. Them not turn up. Nobody see them. Them gone missing in action now. Who me man come out? You never know say me a cartel there. What you doing? Still news. Me and cartel there long time. You know, some is a older woman. Him like them ripe. You know, see how me big and nice and fat and fluffy. I say me man. You call me all the time. Me I go quit my job. Yes, me I go quit my job because we know when bad get out now. Between November and December. Him a go be in the water money. Of course. You never know. Yeah. Why you asleep? You know, see that Jay-Z and Beyonce they go on a yard to go see him. Me I tell him show never give him a big music contract. Me in the money, man. Me I tell you. Me debt free. Me I tell you. Yeah, his bail I think it's gonna be 2.8 million. Chicken scratch. Jay-Z will pay it. The whole world will pay him bail. I tell you. Lord Jesus, we can't wait till come. Just like open up. Whoa, I get the body right, Prime Minister. Yeah. Well, me speak to Carly B, you know, me tell her to check him. Cause me think she can't do in Jamaica. She didn't want to go, but me had too many things to do. Yeah, but Carly B now listen to me. So me I take him. I know so me I get her engaged now. I'm saying me pass him along to Carly B. But she not ready yet. She there with the asset, why? So me I go keep me man. Yeah. Is that what you call me for? Yeah, it's good news, isn't it? Yeah, I'm so bloody happy, I'm telling you, mate. Yeah, made him I got tour the world. Yeah, it's going to take me to England first, because you know I'm homesick for England. Yeah, that's where I was born. Yeah, we got tour England, we got Japan, we got Switzerland. How you mean? I'm going to live like a queen. Yeah, anyway, Africa Prime Minister, good talking to you. Yeah, alright, bye.